Hello YouTube, back in with another video. Today we're gonna do a new tool haul. Last tool haul in 2020. Let's get to the video. So for this tool haul, I just got some Matco stuff and some Cornwell stuff. I got those gear wrench, 92 locking. We'll get that to a sec. From Matco, I got that Bluetooth work light. I ordered two, one came in, so I haven't tried it or anything. It has Bluetooth. It is right here. Superior audio quality, listen to music, never miss a phone call with wireless Bluetooth technology. Doesn't say how long. Part number there on screen. You guys get that? Here's the two manuals. See, it tells you the runtime, Bluetooth. Here's the manual with Bluetooth side. I wonder if this is the same thing. Here's what's just the light side, work light side. That's all you get. And it's just in Spanish. So let's take a look at it. It is radio USB. There you go, radio USB. They have a black one and a, I believe it was like a neon green one. It was on the last flyer that I did. Or yeah, it was a couple flyers ago. Part number one more time. So light, oh, that's a good light right there. So that's bright, it's mid, and then that's low. You just tap the middle button there. I think it's removable, so you could wash it. Let's connect it real quick to my phone, see how, if it even has any battery. I heard it say pairing. It comes out on the phone as BT01. So let's play some music. See how loud this is. That's on the loudest setting right there. So you guys can pick that on the mic, but you can see clearly the headphones right here. That's on the highest setting. So you have your controls here, pause, or that was skip. No, that's skip. This is go back. And then this should be pause. Yeah. So there's the beanie. I ordered another one because I actually like that. That's pretty cool. Plus the light. That's pretty cool. You can jam out and have a light. Plus getting cold. Where is here? Oh yeah, look. Here is to charge the Bluetooth itself. And then the light, I believe you remove the light. Oh, yeah, it is. Alright, oh what the fuck. For the light you would take this off, and that's a weird design. Focus. And then put that into, it tells you in instructions. Take off the protected cover to reveal the USB connector. Charge directly in any USB port for 4 hours. So that's how you charge the light. That's kind of weird. I don't know why they went that design. I'll just put a USB port there, but they went for that design for some reason, which isn't. It ain't the end of the world. And then this goes back in like that, and you're good to go. Oh no, I have it the other way. It goes in like this. So that's the beanie. I got a, I ordered this a while ago, like a couple months ago. It was a long locking flex. You can see that. Locking flex Matco. I need a long quarter. It's pretty long. That's a regular quarter, if you see, and that's a extended long. And I wanted a locking flex because sometimes that comes in handy. And we can compare the Matco locking flex to the gear wrench locking flex. Let's do that real quick. Part number on this Matco. For that ratchet, Matco ratchet. That's the part number. If interested. So I got the 90 tooth ones from gear wrench. Partner right there. I like the 120 so much, and I did already open them and use them the other way. The only thing I did not like about the 120s was that they were not locking. Because go down here a bit. Here I have the 120s. The only gripe about these is that, yeah, they don't work. And I did bust my fingers a couple times because they wouldn't hold. So I do like them because of the teeth. They're awesome. I like the foam. They're great. I actually would use this quite a bit, and I thought I would never use this little 3/8, and I actually do like it. So I decided to up and put these in the service truck, and then get the 90 tooth or the tool box. And then the cool thing about these is I didn't like the plastic. I don't roll with the plastic foam. I like the foam. You could actually take, for example, the 120 and switch it. So I want the 90s in the foam, and then the 120s here. You can just switch it, and they fit fine. The 120s in the plastic are a little tighter, but really they're almost identical. Let me get the 93/8. So you're gonna sacrifice a little bit on the teeth. There's an on-off right there, and then here's the locking mechanism. You can just put it right there. Now the locking mechanism is switched from the Matcos, or yeah, the Matcos. They're opposite. They're the other position. So. Here we can compare how long the Matco quarter drive is. Pretty long. to the regular, and then we can also compare the switches here. So I noticed that on the gear wrench ones, they're more easier to maneuver here. And then on the Matco, over time, it loosens itself. But when you get them fresh out of the truck, they're a little bit stiffer than the gear wrench. The gear wrench are all nice and movable, and then the gear wrench are a little bit more, see, it's more stiffer. They don't move side to side as much like the gear wrench. So yeah, that's what I got for the last week of 2020. Happy New Year. Hopefully you guys got a good Christmas, even though it's a different Christmas this year. I'll catch you again in the next video. Later.